Healthy Wednesdays with Crystal Galney. Brought to you by the sponsors of momseveryday.com.
Welcome to momseveryday.com, where we hope to make life a little easier and give you information you can use. Today it's about Healthy Wednesdays, and we're speaking with Dr. Andrew Hansen with Central Texas Vein Center about vein stripping. Dr. Hansen, what are some of the cons associated with vein stripping?
I've had a lot of patients that were afraid to have their varicose veins investigated because they had an aunt, uncle, parent, grandparent that had a vein stripping, which was painful to the surgeon and the patient alike because you'd be wearing an ACE wrap for several weeks and very uncomfortable and a little bloody. What we do in the office now takes 45 minutes and there's virtually no blood loss.
So what are some of the differences between the old vein stripping procedure and what's available now?
The old vein stripping procedure was pretty barbaric. We would basically put you in the hospital, thread a catheter from your ankle to your groin, tie the vein off, and then basically rip it out of your leg. When I was in Houston with Dr. DeBakey, he actually refused to do that anymore, and we see patients from all over the world. The treatment now is once we have an ultrasound that's documented where the leak is, and if it's in one of those select veins, we thread a catheter under local anesthesia and scar the vein down in place so blood can't go both ways. There's no reflux. We relieve the venous pressure, and it takes about 45 minutes. You're back to normal the next day or later that day. I've had a golf pro that taught a lesson in the afternoon, a machinist that went back to work that afternoon. One of the complications of the venous problems is developing an ulcer. We had another lady that had an ulcer for 29 years, and after we stopped the source of her reflux or pain, she slept for the first night in 29 years, and her ulcer healed in about 2 weeks.
Thank you, Dr. Hansen, for talking with us today. If you'd like more information about vein stripping or new procedures that are available, just log on to momseveryday.com/BCS.